Hi guys, welcome to Freedom Tech Solutions YouTube channel. Today's tutorial we're looking at steps to configure Microsoft Azure AD Portal, that's Active Directory Portal. I'll be sharing my screen and showing you step by step ways you can configure these on Azure so that you can get your client's ID, tenant ID, application ID, your client secrets, endpoints, and the likes that you can use for your integration. Maybe you're integrating with your organization AD using Azure, so you can get this thing and use to configure it. I'd like you to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any steps. I'd like to like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up for this video. This is very important you watch to the end because you don't miss information, important details when I'm sharing my screen. So I'll share my screen now and we'll go right in. So we're looking at how to configure Azure AD Portal. So you go to portal.azure.com. So this is the home page of Microsoft Azure Portal. So the first step is to go to app registration. You can look for app registration just by searching for it. App registration. Click on it, it opens your app registration. Instead, click open your app registration. To open a new registration, you have to click on new registration. This plus sign button, click on new registration. So you click on the new registration. Let's make this, call this AD new tests. AD new tests. So that's a new registration name. But this can be changed later if you want to. Now, supported account types. Who can use this application to access its API? Accounts with organizational directory only, depending on the one you want. That is single tenant. Accounts with in any organization directory, any Microsoft Entra ND tenants. This is multi-tenants. Accounts in any organization directory, any Microsoft Entra ID tenants, multi-tenant and personal Microsoft account, e.g. Skype and Xbox, then personal Microsoft account only. So depending on which option works for you, you can select. I can select personal Microsoft account only because this is my personal account. If it's for organization directory with a single tenant, you can click the first one. If it's the one with multi-tenants, Microsoft Entra the multi-tenant, you can click this one. So let me click personal Microsoft account only, then click register. So it's creating the new app registration. So well, yeah, here we go. So this is the new app registration, AD new tenant. So here you can see first the application ID, which is the client ID that you use for your integration. You can easily copy by clicking this button here. The object ID, the directory tenant's ID. You can see the tenant's ID here. Then you can see the client credentials with direct URL, application ID URL. And then if you click on the endpoint, you can see auth 2.0 token endpoints, auth 2.0 authorization endpoint. In case you need this authorization for your integration, you can click on this and copy it. Then your OpenID connect metadata documents. If you need it, you can click on it. Then the Microsoft Graph API endpoints. All these are where you can get the credentials. Then on the left hand side, you can easily see some icons, integration assistance, diagnose and solve problem. Let me click on manage. So here you can see branding and properties, authentication, certificate and secret. So I'll be doing another video on how you can get certificate and secret on the app registration. To be a quick video, you can see owners of it, of this you can add owners of these tenants of this particular app registration, add owners. You can give rules and administrators what type of rules you want to give. So you click on rules, and that cloud administrator can create and manage aspects of. So depending on what you like, you can give privilege built-in. So you can add owners from your organization. You click add owners. You search the maybe instance. So expose an API. You can click here if you want to expose an API. You can do that here using the client ID. So I want you to see something. If you go here, you see the tenants ID. In case you're looking for a tenant ID, you can go to your home directory, tenant properties, registration. So this is it. So in case you want to view all app registration, you go here. This is the one I just created. Now the tenant ID is there. So that's all. So that's how you create an app registration on Microsoft Azure. I hope you like the video. Click like, subscribe to get more videos.